morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and everyone. I am candidate number 1, Pilar Vlogs USA. And my content is a random vlogs.
Why did you join the NSP?
I decided to join the NSP because I was looking for a group that I can build a strong relationship, a friendship, and an amazing people here in the YouTube world.
Question: what would you advise to anyone who would want to start vlogging and or continue vlogging?
The things that I can advise to anyone that who would want to start vlogging or continue vlogging are: first, believe in yourself. Be realistic. Don't be fake. Show who you really are. Second, enjoy what makes you happy. Third, show your precious talent. Do whatever you want to do that you think it is gonna be helpful to your content, to your YouTube channel. Fourth, don't get frustrated. Take it easy and don't rush. Fifth, always pray to God because prayer is so powerful. Just don't stop believing. Every day, there's a new hope. Think about this. There are a lot of successful vloggers. Who knows, someday you will be one of them. And I thank you.
Maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng contest na ito, my NSP Non-Stop Premier family. Thank you very much. Just to let you know guys that this is my first time to join a pageant. Thank you my nieces, Judy Ann and Milene, for guiding me what to wear and how to walk properly. Thank you to my family, friends, Facebook friends, and YouTube friends for supporting me. To God be the glory.